graphical programming language is more powerful. In the world of programming, we have two types of languages, textual and graphical programming languages. Textual programming languages have been around for decades and have been used extensively to create various applications. But in recent times, graphical programming languages have gained popularity due to their ease of use and flexibility. Let's dive into why graphical programming language is more powerful. Intuitive interface. Graphical programming languages use a visual interface to represent program logic, making it easier for developers to understand and modify code. This makes it easier for beginners to learn programming, as they do not need to remember complex syntax and semantics. Less room for errors. Since graphical programming languages use a drag-and-drop interface to represent program logic, there is less room for errors. The visual interface allows developers to quickly identify any errors in the program, making debugging faster and easier. Increased efficiency. Graphical programming languages are more efficient than textual programming languages because they eliminate the need for developers to write code from scratch. Instead, developers can use pre-built blocks of code to create complex programs quickly. Visualization. Graphical programming languages allow developers to visualize the flow of the program easily. This makes it easier for developers to understand the program's functionality and optimize it for better performance. Flexibility. Graphical programming languages are more flexible than textual programming languages because they allow developers to create complex programs quickly. Developers can create programs for various applications, from mobile apps to desktop applications, using graphical programming languages. In conclusion, graphical programming languages are more powerful than textual programming languages due to their intuitive interface, room for errors, increased efficiency, visualization, and flexibility. Graphical programming languages are perfect for beginners and seasoned developers alike, and we expect them to become more popular in the future. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was informative.